Invisible watermark is a creative way to show ownership of your content on social media. Let me show you how to create it easily in Capcut. Once your video is on the timeline, head over to the left menu and click on Text. Then, add the default text to the timeline. Change the text to your name or brand. Pick a font of your choice, adjust the size, and place it wherever you want within your frame. Just make sure it doesn't distract viewers. Next, ensure the text layer is the same length as your video. Select it and create a compound clip. Then, go to the right menu, click on Video, select Blend, and choose a blending option. I recommend using the Overlay blending option, as it makes the watermark more transparent. If you want to use a logo instead, here's how to do it. Import your logo into Capcut and place it on the timeline. Adjust the size and position it wherever you like. Next, select the logo. Head to the right menu. Click on Blend and choose Overlay. If the logo is still too visible, simply adjust the opacity to your liking. For more cool Capcut tricks, click on the video on the screen.